Shiba Inu. I believe the price increased by 500%.
Yes.
Joel, tell us a bit more.
Okay, so first off, disclaimer, I'm not into hype or meme coins, but I thought that this would be an interesting topic to talk about. So just recently, I think sometime over the last week, Elon Musk, aka the king of crypto influencers, he simply posted a picture of his Shiba Inu dog on his Twitter account, and that sent the price of Shiba Inu coin to skyrocket 500% over the next few days. So I mean, in the crypto space, especially with these altcoins, 5x or 10x is not, it's just another day for crypto speculators. And also the point of this is not to make you guys FOMO, right? Fear of missing out. And it's always easy to say I should have bought into this coin because hindsight is 2020. I just want to see, if there is still a potential growth opportunity for this coin. And I'll just lay out some pointers for you guys to take note. So before I start off, I would just like to give a very short introduction of what exactly is Shiba Inu, for those who don't know what Shiba Inu is. So Shiba Inu is an Ethereum-based cryptocurrency that has 714,000 holders since its launch in August 2020. So it's about a year-ish? Yeah. And it's a meme of a meme. So it was inspired by Dogecoin, and it has gained an insane 27 million% return year to date. Right. To give you some context, right, if you invested $100 on Shiba Inu coin late last year, your investment would have grown to over 1.6 million today. All the FOMO coming already. Oh, wow, FOMO. Yeah, so calm down.
Jesus.
Shiba Inu is currently the 20th largest crypto with a $10 billion market cap. So you think about it, it's pretty damn amazing for a meme coin, right? I mean, it started from a meme and it's the 20th largest crypto already. And now I'd just like to bring on the bull and the bear cases for the coin. So investors or speculators who are long this coin, there are many reasons why they buy this coin, but I'll just discuss the three main pointers. So number one is Shiba Inu is to be listed on major exchanges. So I think many crypto traders, they trade on major exchanges like Robinhood, Coinbase. So as of today, I think Coinbase recently accepted Shiba Inu as one of the accepted coins. Mm-hmm. And I think there is a petition to Robinhood to also add Shiba Inu. So by adding Shiba Inu to these major exchanges, there will be a massive increase in holders. They are leading to more demand. There's more higher volume and thus higher price in future, hopefully. All right, that's the first point. The second one is the ability to actually stake your coins on or earn interest on your tokens. So the developers actually created a platform which allows you to put whatever tokens you have, and then you basically can earn interest on your tokens. So use your tokens to earn more tokens. And the last one is Shiba's very low entry price. So I think it's like 0.00000 something. So it's very cheap for an average Joe to get in. Okay, so these are the bull cases. Now very quickly I go into the bear cases. There are quite a lot, but I also named 3 of them. So number one
I'm sure we'll add more.
is basically whales are dominating the market. So top 100 Shiba holders own 82% of the total supply, 82%. And it just takes 1 or 2 of them to shake the whole market and to send the price crashing. And most dumping actually occurs near the end of peaks as retail investors FOMO in and buy in. So one thing we should never FOMO lah. So that's the first one. The second con is a lack of interest. So this coin price, similar to any other meme coin or hype stock, is very much dependent on the amount of traction it has or the amount of attention it has on it. And there was a good 5 months that this coin was trading pretty stagnant. It was not until Elon Musk posted his picture of his dog which sent the price skyrocketing. So this is another problem that we have to think about. And the last one is copycats and future ICOs. So many other developers also see that, wow, if Shiba Inu can make a meme of a meme and they can send the price, so high, why can't I? So they also want to develop their own coin. They also want to do their own ICOs, trying to outbeat Shiba Inu. For me, the problem with meme coins like this is that they are very much hype-based and based a lot on FOMO. And personally, I'm only vested in the major coins, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so on. And I have no vested interest in Shiba. So my question to you guys and also to the listeners is, what are your thoughts on these kind of things? Right, and to you, Anthony and Rakesh, I would say that you guys are above average in terms of investing knowledge, right? Definitely more than a retail investor. So if you have a reason to believe that the price of this coin or any other meme stock might increase 2x or 5x in the near future, would you allocate a small percentage of a portfolio to this? Why and why not?
Okay, I think there's look, meme coins are fun, right? I bought a GameStop at AMC, so never bought Dodge, never bought SHIB, but
Oh,
I took
nice.
part in the GameStop and AMC thing, and lost money because of FOMO. But yeah, look, I think that everything has their own. Everyone has their own tolerance. Everyone has their own strategy.
Yeah.
For me, this is gambling. Essentially, I get 20%, 50%, I'm out, right? Whether it's up or down, I'm out. So even if I had put $100 in, I'll never have enough conviction to hold for that 160 million or 200 time return, right? I just don't believe in it enough, right? So I make money, that's great, I'm out. I lose money, okay, I have a stop loss, I'm out, and I'm not going back in. So I think it's a very personal choice. If you want to gamble, go ahead. And although I would also say that, especially if people get bigger and bigger portfolios, putting 1% or 2% of your portfolio into something like this could be something that's thousands thousands of dollars at least, right? And in real world terms, that can buy you quite a bit of stuff. So, yes, it's 1% of portfolio, small enough to risk it. You probably will miss it if you lose it all, but there is real value to having money, and being able to do other things with it as well. And if you think about it, if it 2x's, and this was the lesson I learned, even if it 3x's from 1,000 to 3,000, your life isn't going to change. So if you don't have enough conviction to hold for the long term and make that $1,000 become $1 million, and if you don't and you have enough money to, not make that extra $1,000 feel like it's worth anything, then why bother, right? It's just fun. You might as well go to a casino, pay that $100, throw $500 on black on the roulette wheel, and hope for the best.
Yeah, very nice.
It's the same activity to me. But then
Nice.
again, I'm a boomer, so.
I think on my side, it's a little bit more than gambling. I think gambling, you know the odds. With this, you don't. Honestly, I think there are too many variables for you to calculate any of the odds. But what I will say is, if you're the sort of person that goes by Toto, goes by anything that you can find, Bet365, whatever there is, sports bet, then putting a certain amount of money into this kind of makes sense, because it's effectively play money, right? You're willing to lose it. So if you're taking that risk and you're willing to lose that money, I say this is probably a decent angle, because you never know when it's going to come up. That said, I'm not that sort, right? Right? And I don't invest in meme stocks. I actually haven't invested in crypto ever. I'm still trying to understand it, and I need to understand in order for me to invest.
Yeah,
I guess in that sense, I'm quite a boomer, or I guess in that sense, I'm quite conservative, right? But I think one thing I just want to debunk with all of us here, as well as cryptocurrency and what it's done for us, especially meme coins, is that my parents and my grandparents say you work hard for the money. But guess what? 1 year ago, when we were all at home in COVID, if you had put $100 in there, you don't need to work very hard for your money, do you? You're literally sitting at home earning $1 million.
And also maybe one other thing that I'd like to add is that it changes your psychology a lot, when you invest in things like that. So personally, I know a few people who actually only do meme stocks or hype stocks. Right, and the moment they feel that, I can get 30% in one day, 50% the next day, why do I want to invest in normal stocks that gives me 10, 20% a year? Right, it changes their whole psychology of investing. And they think that, putting money in these kind of things, it's investing. But essentially, it's gambling. Like my own personal feeling now. Yeah. So, yeah.
Well, I mean, I don't really agree. I think, volatility is good, right? And volatility isn't necessarily risk. It can go up 30%, it can go down 30%, and you need that volatility to make the money in the long run.
That's
so
true, yeah.
I think knowing that there's volatility is fine. It's just opening your eyes and being aware that you have a plan. What, to me at least, is you know what you want to do with it, and you execute that plan, right? And if it fails, it fails. If it's great, that's great. After a while, you can go teach a course and make a more stable living.
Yeah.